Good morning. My name is Jimmy Tager. I'm a lead forecaster here at the Raleigh National Weather Service office, and today's weekly briefing will cover April 26th to May 2nd. So what is in store for us for the next week? Well, we're going to start the week with some high pressure building in, and that's going to increase our temperature. So high pressure is going to be building in the surface and aloft. And today's going to be a beautiful day with temperatures in the 70s. However, it's going to change quickly as we get to Wednesday and Thursday, where highs will be in the mid-80s to near 90 degrees. That's going to be 10 to 15 degrees above what we normally expect for this time of year. Currently, it looks like Thursday is going to be the warmest day this week. Then as we get to Friday, we have a cold front that's going to be moving across the area, and that will help increase our rain chances and also reduce our temperatures, lower them back to what we normally expect for this time of year. And then for the upcoming weekend, we do have a tiny chance of showers, but however, we're not really expecting the confidence on that isn't too high. But there is a small chance for now, and we'll see how that progresses through the week. Here's a glimpse at what we're expecting to be the warmest day this week and what could be the warmest day this year so far. Really a big area of mid to upper 80s across central North Carolina, and even some 90s as we get into the Sandhills and southern coastal plain. What are our record temperatures? Well, most areas should be a couple degrees away from those records. However, Raleigh could be 1 or 2 degrees away from breaking its record high. So we'll keep a close eye on that and see if we trend upward or downward as we get closer to Wednesday and Thursday. As with that high pressure, we typically don't expect much rain. And here we have today, Tuesday, and Wednesday, dry weather over central North Carolina. So a good day to get out, but your grass might be thirsty by the time you get to midweek with the dry weather and the heat building. Luckily, as we get to the end of the work week, we could see an increased chance of rain. However, it doesn't look like it's going to be a whole lot right now, mostly half an inch or less across central North Carolina. And then as we get to this weekend, just a little bit of chance of rain, and we'll see if that sticks around or maybe it will be dry. Chance of flash flooding over the next couple days is definitely 0 with the high pressure building in, so not expecting any excessive rainfall. And without the rain, we have no storms expected for the next couple days. So with SPC, you can see here, we have no threat of severe storms. So that is good news there. What's coming in the long term? Well, in the 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, you can see here from May 3rd to May 9th, we're expecting above normal temperatures, but also above normal precipitation. So hopefully we'll start to make up some of the precipitation that we haven't gotten this past month. And to summarize, we have high pressure building in across the region through the middle of the week. It's going to keep the weather dry, but make it very warm outside. Highs are going to be in the mid-80s to near 90 degrees by Wednesday and especially Thursday. Cold front's going to move through the area Friday, so expect the rain chances to return then. And then this weekend should be mostly dry, but southern areas could have a small chance of rain. And the main hazard and impact for this next week is really going to be that warm weather that develops Wednesday and Thursday. With it being the warmest time of year, it could catch some people by surprise. Maybe they've gotten used to it being cool outside and working outside and not drinking as much water. So it'll be important that people take extra breaks if they're working outside or exercising, drinking plenty of water and taking those breaks in the shade or in an air-conditioned building. And here's a glimpse of the temperatures today, 75. And then as we get into midweek, mid to upper 80s and near 90 as we get to southern areas.